Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger not syncing contacts. First of all, go ahead and go to your settings and then go to Messenger, and then make sure contacts is enabled, it is in full access. After that, restart your app by swiping your screen off from the bottom of your phone, and then swiping your screen off from the bottom of your phone, and then find your Messenger app and then swipe it away. Next, reopen it. This will clear temporary glitches. After that, log out and log in. Then go to your app store and then search for Messenger, and make sure to update your app to the latest version. Safety tip: only sync contacts if you trust the app with your data. Quick fix: turn off sync, then turn it back on. And that's it. Subscribe for